guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to add your family member on Facebook, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at see your about information, and then here scroll down a little bit until you get the option of add family member. Just simply tap on it. So that's where you can easily add your family member on Facebook. And then here just simply choose the relationship, whatever it is, and then here just give the name of the relation, whatever it is, and then from here you can select the visibility. You can set it to public, friends, or whatever you want to set. Just simply select it, and then after that simply select save to continue. So that's how you can easily add your family member on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys.